from the Chattanooga Public Library, and today we are going to be making fairy gardens. And I have some very special guests with me today. Special guests, introduce yourselves.
Hello, I am Jude. Hello, I'm Josie, and this will be a very fun experience because I like doing this.
I'm so excited. So what we're going to do is we are going to start off by thinking about our fairies and what kind of fairies they are. You could even draw a picture. Then we are going to go out into nature. We're going to gather up all of our nature supplies for our fairy gardens, and then we're going to put our fairy gardens together. Does that sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So here we go. Yay. All right, Jude. So do you have a picture of your fairy?
Yeah. This is Hunter, the sun and moon fairy. He's got wings that look like they're angel wings, but they're black. He's got a sword. He can control time, so he can make it anytime he wants, whenever he wants. So in return, he can kind of control water using the moon. And he can make rain.
Cool.
And weather and time change.
Very cool. All right. I love that fairy. All right. Tell me about your fairy.
Well, I thought really that it was just, I drew a fairy and it was going to be a woodland fairy because we were using like stuff that we found in our backyard and didn't really think of a name for it. One time I did have a fairy garden and a woodland fairy came to me and her name was Nora, so I guess this is Nora.
Nora? Nora the fairy? Awesome.
Well, that was a fairy to me at my nanny's house. I've never met Hunter. I imagined him, and I'm pretty sure he's real. Well,
I love it. So now that we have our fairies, do we want to build a habitat for our fairies?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to think really hard about the two fairies that you just explained and go around in our yard and find things that our fairies might want in their houses or their habitats. And then we're going to put them all in a basket and then we're going to start building. Okay, so let's go ahead and go gather our supplies.
Yay!
Yeah! All right, guys, so now it's time to start building our fairy gardens. So we have all of our stuff from nature. I put mine in a star basket, and I see that Josie and Jude also have theirs in a basket. So they are going to do theirs on a porch, and I'm going to do mine right here in this crevice. I think that my fairy is a night fairy, so I think I'm going to make mine pretty shaded because I think that that's what a night fairy would want when it's sunny outside. So the first thing is that we need to start building a base, right? So I'm going to start building a base with some sticks and kind of make a teepee shape with them. So let's go ahead and start making the base of our fairy houses.
I'm going to put leaves over my things and there's things. Ridiculous. I thought we were going to be using a hot glue gun. Huh? I didn't know we were going to have to make it like this.
Well, yeah, so we want to make it like this because hot glue is not natural. Or that our fairy gardens are all natural things.
That makes sense.
It makes sense. I know that you like the hot glue gun.
Oh! This is so hard. Okay, I think I'm starting together.
Okay. Oh, log cabin style. That's a good idea.
I hope they enjoy their comfortable bed and sofa.
I like that y'all are thinking about things for your fairies to sleep on or sit on.
The way you told me to do it is much easier.
Oh, the log cabin style is much easier?
Yeah.
Good to know. I will suggest that.
You have to you have to do it like this. So you have to basically put them all on top of each other, but not stack.
once like the base is built, now it's time to start decorating either the inside or the outside. So I think that was already a step that was happening. I heard something about sofas and couches.
When you're making your log cabin, you have to start out by putting the two sticks on the sides. Then you put the two sticks on the other sides, and you just keep repeating that. That is how to do it, and that's an easier way to explain.
I like that.
Some hot party ants. Protecting the fairy bird. See it as a pile of leaves. And then, but if they get past the rock guardians, and the camouflage, hunter will destroy them. I'm putting in some moss for a comforter and some leaves and blankets for the bed. Basically all that's in there. Okay, so here is Hunter's sanctuary and house. So I've got some rose petals as a carpet and this as a and I'm putting some there as a pillow for him. And so this is his bed. He'll leave that as a blanket. And this is his couch. This is past this line is the kitchen. This here is the bathroom. And since he built his house under a roof, he doesn't have to worry about that. He made some rock totems and made them alive to protect him, and he also camouflaged them. Oh, and his sword goes right on the wall near the bridge. Okay, this is
That is amazing. You put so much detail in there, and I'm so impressed.
That doesn't look like much, but this is Hunter's home, the house of nonsense.
That was so good. Okay.
So, this is my fairy house. It's a wood cabin, and inside you can see there's some like leaves and moss as comforters, and leaves and blankets, and then I put the sleeve up here, and then she will fly in, and then go to rest right there, and so once then she can go to sleep, then get out and do whatever she wants, and I'm gonna write her a note. Ooh, I'm gonna do that on the back of my.
So impressed with y'all's fairy gardens, and thank you so much for doing them with me. So if you at home do your fairy gardens, go ahead and take a picture of them and tag us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Fairy. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, that's amazing.
So I have like 4 walls, and then I made a roof of leaves with flower chandeliers dangling down. And then I put some bushes outside of it that I tied together. And then I happen to have a couple of natural things from the sea that I put inside. So as like this could be the couch, but I don't have time to finish the rest of mine because y'all are super fast.